Welcome to the Missouri Accreditation Video Training Series. For this video, we're going to talk about uploading our administrative documents. At this point in the process, we have gone through the Educational Staff Review, and it's all been approved by the Missouri Accreditation Staffing. Notice on our overview, after we've logged into our Merit account, that on the left-hand side, it lists where we're at in this process. As I scroll down, you'll see all of the documents that are required for me to submit in order to move forward in my application process. Each one of those administrative documents has to be uploaded as a PDF file. On the right-hand side, it is telling you that the current step has to be done by you, the program director, in this case is me, and there are some additional instructions that we'll talk about here in a moment. When it comes to uploading your administrative documents, you can do them one by one. So for example, notice under the list here, I could click each individual one and upload a single PDF file to account for that particular heading. Another option that we're giving you for ease of use is the ability to upload all of your documents all at once using what is called a zip file. If you're interested in utilizing that particular process, we've included some instructions for you. Here on the left-hand side it says View Instructions and Upload Tools. I'm going to go ahead and click that and not go through the individual process for this tutorial. After clicking it, you'll notice I have some information here. This information indicates how I can go through and upload my administrative documents. There are 3 download links noted. The first download link is a checklist of the documents that you will need to gather for the administrative review. This is good for keeping you track in the process of what all you need to gather in order to submit to Missouri Accreditation. The second is a file that tells you instructions, detailed instructions, on exactly how you can go about creating a zip file for submission. And third is an example zip file containing the file folder structures for creating the zip file so that you have something to reference when you're doing your upload. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to upload my already constructed zip file that contains all of my administrative documents. I'm going to choose my file, browse to where it is located, and then choose Upload. You'll notice back on my overview, I now have checkboxes on all of my documents in the listing. You will get the same message if you did each one individually. It is also important to note that throughout this process, Missouri Accreditation has to review each one of the administrative documents and can reject them if they do not meet stringent requirements. Your next step after you have all of your green check marks is to submit it to the Missouri Accreditation staff. Right here on the left-hand side, you'll see Confirm and Submit Admin Documents. At this point, it lists each individual file that I have uploaded. It will do this regardless of whether or not I used the zip process or I did each one individually. As I scroll down to the list, you will see at the very bottom a Confirm and Submit Admin Documents. Select that. At this point, my overview is telling me that the next steps is with the Executive Director of Missouri Accreditation and that I'm waiting on review. So, in the process, I'm essentially stalled until I hear back from Missouri Accreditation on whether or not my administrative documents have been approved and meet their requirements. That concludes this particular video tutorial.